Hello, everyone. I hope all of you are fine and doing great. Welcome back to the live session, live class of direct and indirect narration. And today we are going to talk about interrogative kind of the sentences with respect to direct and indirect narration. Well, what is interrogative kind? Interrogative kind is actually question. When we ask questions, it is known as interrogative kind of sentence. Now, Walaikum Assalam. I hope all of you are fine. And today we are going to discuss interrogative kind of the sentence with respect to direct and indirect narration. This one is a bit tricky kind, so I want you all to be attentive in the class and just listen each and every point very carefully. Interrogative kind means questions or interrogation or inquiry. Like when we ask any type of question, what is your name, where are you going, why are you not performing well, what is the time, how is the weather, these all are considered as questions. Walaikum assalam. There are two types of questions. When we ask questions, we have two types of questions. One type is of WH words or how, and the other type is starting with helping verbs. When we talk about questions, we have two types of questions. Number one, WH questions or how, or the next one is helping verbs. For example, why are you worried? Question mark. Video is blur. Why? It shouldn't be. Is it clear now? Is it okay? Well, to me it is all right, but if there is any issue, it will be okay in a bit. Is it okay? Can you see now? Okay, next is when. It's okay, it will be okay. When will they come? Next question is how are you feeling? Or what is the time? So these all are questions. These all are known as questions. They are started with WH words. Now, next type of questions is this, that it is started with helping verb. For example, are you waiting for me? Question mark. Number two is this question correct? Question mark. Next is will she be happy? Or did he call? Now if you look at the construction of these sentences, these questions, you will observe that all the words are helping verbs: are, is, will, and did. And if you concentrate on this type of questions, it is started with WH word or how. So that's how there are two ways to form questions. Why I am telling you? क्यों? The first rule is removal of punctuations. The first rule is removal of punctuations and not to add that or to. Right? In the start of the lecture, I told you that in some sentences we do not add that or to. So we will remove the punctuations, but we will not add that or to. Then we will change the pronoun or adjectives. Then we will change the tense as well. Reporting verb said to will be changed into interrogated, inquired, asked, etc. So our reporting verb will be changed into asked, or interrogated. Inquired will be with E. Okay. Now, if our sentence or question is started with WH word, then we will write it as it is. Write it as it is. I will just tell you how. And if our question will be started with helping verb, we will convert it into if or whether. Right? So these are the rules that we are supposed to change interrogative sentences from direct narration into indirect narration. So these all are the rules to be followed. Now let's go for the examples. The first example is, he said to me. We will go for the examples of helping verbs first. Are you feeling well now? Now we will have question mark as this is question. He said to me, are you feeling well now? Now just check it out that your sentence is started with helping verb. And I have told you that if your question is started with helping verb, it will be written as it is, but it will be changed according to the tense. He asked me. if and whether is going to be used if helping verb is there, but if WH words will be there, we will write it as it is. He asked me if. Helping verb here, and we have changed it into if. Now you is a second person pronoun. You will be changed according to object. It is already mentioned me, so we will write I. R is present tense and we are supposed to take it into the past tense. If I was feeling well, then, full stop. Punctuation marks are removed. Asked is used. Helping verb is here, so if is used, or you can write whether as well. I was feeling well, and past tense is in reporting speech, so now is changed into then. Adverbs का change भी होगा, ठीक है. Next we have the student said have you done your task? The student said, have you done your task? The student asked. Now have is used, this is present tense, but we are just supposed to change it into if or whether. Let's take whether here. Whether. Again you is there, no object, I. Have will be changed into had. Done my task. In direct and indirect narration, questions are opened to make them simple clauses. Active passive में ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. In active passive voice, we have to make again the question in the passive voice, but in direct and indirect narrations, जो questions हैं उनको हमने open करना होता है. We have to make them clause. Next example. The player said, will his team join tomorrow? Question mark. Again helping verb is there, so the player asked or inquired, interrogated, these all are the words, but most of the time asked is used. The player asked if. His is considered as third person, so same, we'll write it if his team. Will is there, so we'll change it into would. Join the next day. Tomorrow will be changed into the next day. Are you getting it now? Is the video clear now? And voice is also audible. Please kindly acknowledge. Next is Aslam said to Ali, does she like reading? Question mark. Aslam said to Ali, does she like reading? Aslam asked Ali. Again helping verb is there, so we will go for it. If or whether. If she, present tense, so we'll go for liked. If she liked reading. Full stop. So this will all, these are the examples that are started with helping verbs. Next we have the questions that will be started with the help of WH words. And the examples are: the boy said to me, "Why are you late today?" Why are you late today? Question mark. The boy inquired why. You will be changed. I was late that day. Full stop. Now WH word is here. The question is started with WH word, so it is written as it is. Why? Then after WH word you are supposed to write pronoun. Keep this thing in your mind that after WH word definitely helping verb must be there. If you will not write helping verb, then it will be incorrect sentence. The boy inquired why I was late that day. Then we have next example. She said to him, "Where was his friend?" Question mark. She asked him where was his friend. So where his friend was will be changed into had been. Full stop. After WH word you will write the pronoun or the noun if it is mentioned in your direct narration. Can you hear me properly? Kindly respond so that I get to know that everything is okay at your side. If it is not, then there is nothing useful to discuss or to explain the topic. In the live class especially. ओके राइट आप सब लोग खामोश थे तो मैंने कहा शायद आवाज़ नहीं आ रही है, वीडियो नहीं आ रही. थोड़ा सा आई एम जस्ट होल्डिंग माई फोन राइट नाउ because there is some technical issue in fixing the phone. That's why I was just a bit worried. Next statement is, mother said to her daughter, mother said to her daughter, okay, I don't know why is that so. मेरे पास ठीक आ रही है. मे बी शायद डिस्टेंस कम है फ़ोन तक तो. मदर सेड टू हर डॉटर, व्हेन डू यू वांट टू गो? व्हेन डू यू वांट टू गो? क्वेश्चन मार्क. मदर asked her daughter when she, daughter is there, you will be changed, according to daughter, so it will be changed into she. When she, do and wanted to go, because it is when do you want to go, it is your present indefinite tense, so you'll change it into past indefinite tense. When she wanted to go. Right, this is the correct answer. Let me just try to change the place and maybe it is going to be all right. Just give me a few. Is it okay now? If it is, I hope that it is gonna work. But actually, I have already explained everything. But if it is still not working, then we have to just change the location. Okay, चलो at least it is okay now. I am trying my level best कि आपको proper जो है. Next statement is the policeman said, are you okay? R is not recommended. Why have you stolen the bag? Question mark. The policeman inquired why I had stolen the bag. Now we have some different questions that starts with me. For example, yes, the example is the boy said, may I come in? May I come in? And it is also your question mark. So the boy asked if he might come in. May is also a sort of a question that is considered into the category of WH words. So still we will use, but if it is WH word, we are still going to add if sorry, may is going to be in this category. It is going to be in the category of helping verb because may is a model auxiliary and model auxiliaries are also considered as helping verbs. Okay, next is another model auxiliary. The beggar said, can you help me? Can you help me? Now this is again question, and can, do you remember, it is going to be changed into what? The beggar asked if I could help him. So same rules will be applied. Can will be changed into could, may will be changed into might, and rest all the rules are to be implemented. That is change of pronoun plus change of tense, change of adverbs, whatever is required. So this was all about today's topic. We discussed about interrogative kind, the questions, interrogations or inquiry. There are two ways to ask questions. Number one is the WH words or the how, and then the other is helping verb, that is may, but may is in this category. We are just supposed to write may here. May or can. Then I had written a few examples of both the types of the questions. Rules are there: removal of punctuations, no addition of that or to, change of pronouns, adjectives, change of tense. Set to will be changed into interrogated, inquired, and asked. WH words will be there, we will write it as it is. Helping verbs will be there, we will change them into if and whether. Just all the examples are discussed as camera is clear now. So he said to me, are you feeling well now? He asked me if I was feeling well then. So these are the all examples that I have discussed today, and everything is almost done. If you have any question, you can ask me. If you have any kind of problem that you say that this should be discussed, I will discuss it. The mark of interrogation, that is question mark, will also be removed. We will not write it. If you can, if you want, if you have any question, you can ask me. Otherwise, then we'll move on to the question answer session. Okay, let's go to the test time. The boy said to him, have you offered the prayers? Change this sentence. The boy said to him, have you offered the prayers? Next is, he said to his brother, why if I had. No, you have to remove question mark. You will remove the question mark, and after if or whether you will write down the pronoun or the noun. If I had, not had I. The boy asked him if, and the boy said to him is there, so you have to change you according to him. The boy asked him if he had offered the prayers. It will not be I, because you will be changed according to him. The boy asked him if he had offered the prayers. Yes, we have to remove the इफ़ और वेदर के बाद आपने प्रोनाउन या नाउन लगाना है, ठीक है, क्योंकि हमने इसको क्वेश्चन बनाना है. आपको याद हो मैंने बताया था कि इफ़ वी यूज़ एनी हेल्पिंग वर्ब आफ्टर डब्ल्यू एच वर्ड इट विल बी अ क्वेश्चन. और अगर आपने डब्ल्यू एच वर्ड के बाद हेल्पिंग वर्ब नहीं लगाया, डायरेक्ट नाउन प्रोनाउन लगाया, तो वो आपका क्लॉज बन जाएगा. और डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट नरेशन में हमें क्लॉज की ज़रूरत है. ही सेड टू हिज ब्रदर, वाई will why will she not attend the class? The boy, he said to his brother, why will she not attend the class? Now he asked his brother, why she is there, प्रोनाउन पहले लगेगा, will का जो है बाद में लेके जाएंगे. why she would not attend the class. ठीक है, so question mark is removed. So this was all about today's lecture. I hope that everything is understood. I will continue the same lesson of direct and indirect narration with another kind of sentence by tomorrow. Until then, just study it, and if you have any question, you can ask me. Just take care of yourselves. I'll come tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.